today I'm going to choose my own egg and let's see what discount code we get. You guys knew I was going with pink. One of these eggs was placed in every single one of our Easter orders. Now inside is a code. So it is a discount code, but it doesn't have the percentage on there. So you won't know what percentage you're getting until you enter it in on the website. I'm going to load up my cart on the Little Essentials website with my personal opinion of like the ultimate first time buyers pack. So everything I would recommend if you're purchasing with us for the first time, and then we're going to see what discount code we get. Okay, so we are on the Little Essentials website, and the first thing I want to add is a key comfy. This accessory for your keys is literally a must have. The next thing I'm going to do is go down to the deluxe satin collection. This is our coffee collection and it's our best sellers, and I'm going to add a cappuccino. I'm then going to go into makeup headbands and bundles, and I'm going to grab a pink makeup headband bundle because this is the perfect skincare must have. And because why not, I'm also going to add a $50 mystery box. You can see our cart and our total is $119.90. So let's go through. Our discount code is Thumper, so I'm going to enter it in and let's see what we get. So with our Thumper discount, we got 25% off our order. I absolutely love the Easter egg scavenger hunt idea. So because I love you guys so much, use code Thumper for today only and get 25% off your order.